Hey, what's going on, and welcome. Today we're going to talk about the top 5 cleaning methods that you could utilize now. And before we get started, let me properly introduce myself. My name is Amber Swanson, and this is Royalty Cleaning Company's YouTube channel. Once again, we're going to dive right into 5 top cleaning methods to see whether you've been utilizing these methods the whole time, and or you can add these methods in to your own cleaning style and needs. And the top of the list is the most common cleaning method of all. It is your cleaning checklist. You see these a lot on Pinterest, and you can get a lot of ideas to help you benefit and grow from there. And so with the cleaning checklist is either your daily, weekly, or monthly. It's just dissected into those things. You don't have to think about what you need to do every day, try to figure out what areas need to be cleaned. You check it off and you keep moving. The top method would definitely have to be cleaning zones. Now, this isn't a new zone. It's actually been around for a while. And the cool thing about this particular method is that you section off your house in different zones. And so one zone would be your kitchen, one zone would be the bathroom and the living room, and so forth. And each day you would focus on those zones. And this is something that can be accomplished and done on a weekly basis. That's one way to go about it. Some people break the zones off into tasks, but you have a visual concept of it where you actually have the whole layout of your home printed out in a binder. Yeah, you have the layout that gives the descriptions of the zone and the to-do list or the tasks that need to be done in those zones. So that's an extra aspect of that cleaning zone. And then the third part that people would look at is just sectioning your homes off without the binder. You know, you're going to focus on those zones in a particular amount of time, and you have certain tasks that you do, or you just focus on the most used areas. That's it. And so the third top cleaning method would definitely have to be your to-do list. And to-do list is something that we do with our groceries and things of that sort, but this is a simpler way you can do it with your cleaning as well. So if you look at it from a weekly basis, you can say, okay, on my to-do list, I need to go grocery shopping, and I have this, and that already scheduled into your day. But there's no times involved. You just know that those are the things you need to cross off for the day. Those are the things you need to cross off that you've done for the day, or are going to do for the day, I should say. And in doing so, you incorporate your cleaning tasks by a daily basis. So on Mondays, you would focus on the kitchen, and Tuesdays, you would focus on all the floors. Wednesdays, all the dusting. You can do it whatever way you want to do it, instead of breaking it down into checklists, zones, and things of that sort. So that's just keeping it simple, but the most important thing is to remember to actually do it. You can write it on a to-do list, but it doesn't mean anything until you take action. So that's the most important part about doing the to-do list. Make it a priority and get it done so you can move forward. The fourth top cleaning method is called clean looping. The cool thing about the clean looping is that it's something that you write down the most used areas, you write it on a list, and you scratch it off, and you reuse the same sheet over and over again, and just add in different priorities for the week. So this method you can definitely use from the perspective of a weekly basis. But the interesting thing with this cleaning method is that when it's a new week, you don't start from the beginning. You start where you last left off. This way you keep rotating and maintaining those different cleaning tasks that needs to get done. You're not adding more stress about what do I need to figure out what needs to be clean, but you know these are the areas I already clean, and you just keep moving forward. These are really great for busy moms. When you're too busy and you're like, I don't have time to go back and clean this. But it's going to be even beneficial when you have a partner or a spouse or whoever can tag in and help scratch those tasks off of the list. and then you just keep moving forward. Stop, go back to where you left off, and keep moving forward. And so last but not least is one that I actually used the most, but I combine it with a lot of different other cleaning methods, which you can too. It doesn't have to be just one method and that's it. You can combine whatever works with the size of your home, the time you have, and convenience, really. And so with this one is number 5, which is basically routine. So this is just focusing daily on up to 4 tasks within 15 to 30 minutes. So this is really going to benefit people who live in smaller houses. And if you have a bigger house, you just add on more time and more tasks, or delegate them to other people. So you all can work as a team. And a lot of these methods I am going to share and provide a lot of information so you can learn more about creating those particular styles that will work best for you and more in depth. And you can find that information in the description box below. If you want to learn how to set up your own customized routine, go ahead and click that link up there. If you're interested in setting up your own basic cleaning schedule, then go ahead and click this link. And so these are just your basic foundations in the links that I provided. That's going to help you build just a basic foundation to move forward to maintaining an overall cleanliness of your home, so you can start doing things that matter, right? That's probably why you're watching this video. So I hope you got a lot of value out of this video, and if you did, go ahead and like this video and share it with somebody who can definitely benefit from it too, and figure out what their cleaning style is and how they can either add on and grow from it or do better. So yeah, if you want to be a part of this community, go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can continue to be notified every Sunday when new hot videos are coming out your way. All right, stay tuned to the next video. In the meantime, stay blessed, not stressed. Take care.